Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about how to get the most out of your speaking engagements by using video and social media. Now, I'm seeing a lot of business owners these days who are getting booked in front of audiences to give keynotes or presentations and things like that. And this is a fantastic idea, okay? That is a great way to literally get in front of your audience and build rapport with them and position yourself as an expert in your industry and someone who is very reliable and someone that people want to do business with. What horrifies me is that entrepreneurs go to great lengths to get these speaking engagements and to prepare for them, and they don't really leverage them as much as they could on social media. So the first thing that you should do to get the most out of your speaking engagement is to hire the services of a professional videographer. You want to have someone who has a proper camera and a tripod and ideally a wireless microphone. And this is key because in a live audience setting, they'll do a much better job than just someone with, like a smartphone recording you. So you want to capture your presentation in its entirety, and you also want to capture wide shots of you in front of an audience, because nothing builds credibility more than seeing you, the business owner, in front of an audience that is engaged and listening intently on what you are saying. So once you get the great footage from your professional videographer, you also want to do some editing. And again, this might be better in the hands of a professional if you don't have the skills or the equipment to do so. You want to do two kinds of edits. You want to do a full-length edit of the entire presentation from start to finish. You might want to edit some titles, some PowerPoint slides, or whatever seems appropriate. And then you want to cut it down into small little snippets. You want short little video clips of your entire presentation that stand alone, as well as within the context of your bigger presentation have value. And the reason for this is excellent content for all your social media platforms, okay? All the major social media platforms, all the big five, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, they all encourage use of video, specifically native video. And that's the next step. Don't just post links to your video content online. Post them natively and go in with a social media strategy designed to get the most out of your video. Video content is by far the most rich kind of content you can put online on your social media. So again, don't miss this opportunity to get really great video content of you giving a presentation so that you can fill your social media news feeds with great video clips. And then the final thing, remember I was talking about the full-length video, what you want to do with this is you can actually make it into a downloadable video file that you can either then sell or you can give it away for free in exchange for people's email addresses. If you've watched my videos before in the past, I talk a lot about the value of using social media to grow your email list and why that's such an important part of your online marketing strategy. So here is a really valuable piece of content that you have, this maybe 20 or 30 or hour-long piece of video of you giving a presentation, and now you can basically give it to anyone with internet across the world. And you can make a little money off of it, sell it as a course or a mini course if that's more appropriate, if you're more comfortable with that. Or like I said, give it away and expand your reach, expand your email address. So that's it for today. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, please subscribe. I put out another video and blog every week. Until next time, take care.